Today we're learning how to add text to your videos, whether it's captions, titles, or something fun to spice up your content. Let's jump right in. First, open your project and make sure your video is on the timeline. Now look at the bottom toolbar and tap on the text option. From here, tap Add Text. You'll see a text box appear on your screen along with the keyboard. Type in whatever you'd like to say. It could be a name, a quote, or even a call to action like subscribe now. Once you've added your text, you can drag it around the screen to place it exactly where you want. Now, let's style it up. Tap on the text again and you'll get a bunch of editing options. You can change the font, adjust the size, choose a color, and even add borders or shadows to make it pop. Want it animated? Tap on the animation tab. You'll see three sections: in, out, and loop. Choose an animation from each category to make your text appear, disappear, or move continuously. And if you want the text to show for only part of the video, just drag the edges of the text layer on the timeline to control how long it stays visible. Once you're happy with how it looks, tap the check mark and you're done. Adding text in CapCut Mobile is that simple, and it's a great way to level up your edits with a personal touch. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more quick CapCut Mobile tutorials. We've got more editing tips coming your way.